welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so by the title of the video, you know what we'll be doing today. I'll be showing you guys how to shave your eyebrow, groom it, and then to prepare it for when you're on your fast movements to go out. So yeah, just take the moment right now just to please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. And I just want to say thanks for the support and please to help. All right guys, so first thing first is that I got my new packer razor, and I'm just sliding out one of the razors that I'm going to use now. So there I am, just opening the pack. Now next thing you're going to use is you're going to use your spooler just to brush your eyebrow into the shape or into the direction in which you want it. Now guys, this is very important. The most important part is actually using the razor, because it is so sharp. You have to be very careful, because you can end up shaving a lot more of your eyebrows than you wanted. Think about it. So you have to be careful and just take your time just to lightly trim off the edges, brush them, trim them, and just okay guys, so basically the next thing after shaving, you use some alcohol just to kill any bacteria or whatever. This is going to hurt, so that bottle of alcohol and water. Are you ready for it? Alright guys, so now I'm just going to get into grooming. So this is something that I saw on the internet. I saw a lot of persons using something over their eyebrow just to get it smoother. I guess they said it's for, you know, taking away the excess oil from your face. That way the application won't be that oily or watery. I'm back. Sharpen my pen. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm just using the pencil to lightly stroke underneath the bottom of my eyebrows first, just to align it in the direction that I want it. Now I'm just freelancing here with just doing my eyebrows. A technique that I see most persons use is to go from your nose, then you go into the middle of your eye just to get where you want your arch is. But I didn't really want a big arch, so I just drew it for this purpose of a tutorial. So basically guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just applying the concealer, and that is for LA Girls Fawn, and I am just gently stroking underneath the bottom. Now this is where I actually align the eyebrows into the shape that I want. This is the point in moment that I make the shape that I want, because this concealer will help you to define the what would you say, how straight it is, the definition, yeah, the definition of it. So basically guys, I made a mistake here. I kind of just rubbed off piece of it, so look at how I fixed it. I lightly stroke it until I give it that curved look. Yeah, as you can see guys, this is not like a big arch eyebrow style, which most persons love, but I love my eyebrow style as simple as this, because my eyebrows is not that full. So I kind of just always went with this style, just more of a natural look, because my eyebrows is not like a full arch like most persons. So I'm just going through the spoolie just to brush it up, to check out also if there's no excess here. And yeah, voila, look at that guys, that actually looks really good. The only thing left would be to blend it out and etc. You would just blend it out after you put on your makeup and everything. Yeah, so basically that's it. So guys, this is before, now this is after. Check out that brow.